Hello budding artists, it's Mrs. Parker here from Bubbles Art Studio, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a clownfish like our example over the back. So a clownfish gets their name from the fact that they have three really bright cool colours. So they're black, white and red, which is kind of like a clown. So as we're drawing this in, and you're drawing it in a pencil or pen, think about how you can colour your clownfish in afterwards to make it look kind of like a cool clown. So follow along with me. Like I say in my other drawing videos, don't stress out when you see the picture, okay? Think about shapes. So if you can draw a circle or if you can draw an oval, you're going to be able to draw this. And I'm going to help you. So pause the video where you need to, rewatch it if you need to, and once you've done your work, I'd love to see it, so share it below. All right, let's get started. So first thing we want to do is we want to draw an oval shape. Now the oval shape is going to be for the body of the fish, all right? And it's kind of at an angle, so it looks like it's swimming through the water. Then we're going to draw the fins. They come out. And then we're going to draw another one down the bottom. And then we're going to draw the fin things where those ones that flop through the water like that. I don't know if that's how fish swim, but that's how I do it. Alrighty. And then we have another one through the body. Coolio. So we've got the base. I'm just going to extend that out a little bit further. The base, or the body. We've got the fins. Now we need to come in and draw the eye. So let's draw a nice little circle right about here. And an eyelid. Little curve, little half moon. Then while you're there, you can go in and colour in the eye. Colour it in black, but just leave a little bit of white there so it looks more realistic. Then we're going to do the mouth. So come in, draw one line and another line underneath like so. And they look a little bit grumpy. I don't know why, but they're grumpy fish. You can make yours happy if you want to make yours happy. Then see, I'm just sort of making that look separated. Just going to rub that out there. So it looks like we've got two bits so the fish can open and close its mouth, get its food. Right, on the fins, we're going to do this kind of shape. Sorry, it's a little bit more squiggly like that. Alright, so let's go around the outside and do a squiggly line. Hopefully you drew those lines in nice and light to start with as you're working lines, because some of them you might want to rub out. Okay, so we're coming along. We're going to come along the back. I'm going to do it on all of them, alright? Now you could later on go back in and colour those tips around the fin a different colour. Make them stand out and make them be a really cool feature. What I suggest you do is Google clownfish and have a look at their colours and see if you can colour them in accurately. So to colour them in what they really look like, which would be really cool. Alright, then we've got one coming down here. Alright, then the last thing we can do is we can add some of these lines which show where the different colours are going to come in. So what will happen is some of the clownfish, they have the different colours coming through. So they might have the red, then the black, then the white, so you can go and colour those all in. That looks pretty cool as it is. You can leave the fish, you could do one or two, you can make them swim through the water, or we can make it look like the fish is under the water by drawing in some coral. Alright, so put a little half moon and then put some sort of jagged edges on it because coral is not smooth, alright? Now I just want to add a little bit of a flower on there, okay, because they have these beautiful flowers come out of them. So let's start with a really, really big petal one. Now you can go over the fish, so it's going to look like the fish is swimming behind the coral. Then you can pop a little one in front because they have different layers coming through. Then grab your rubber, in this case I'm going to grab my whiteboard marker, and come and rub out anything that is inside that petal shape from the coral that you've just drawn on. can get a little bit tricky trying to work out where those lines are, but just take your time. If you rub some of that out like I just did, that's okay. We can go back and we can fix that up. All right, tie that one down there. Alrighty, coming in, and so forth. So there you have how to draw a clownfish. So give it a go, colour it in and share it below, and I'd love to see your work. See you back in the studio soon, guys.